That's the vibe I'm giving today. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. I have a lot in store for you this week. So this is like a week in life. I don't know when exactly this vlog is going to stop, but you're going to follow me on my journey this week. So today is Monday and I am getting ready for like a TV interview this morning. It's currently 8 o'clock. My interview is 9:30. But where it's happening is like 30 minutes away from me. So I'm hoping to do my makeup in like 40 minutes. And then I get in the car and then I'm there early enough. You get what I mean? So I just want to get ready now, do my makeup, pack my hair, wear my dress, and then I'll be on my way. But guys, I hope you are having an amazing day, week, month so far. Guys, it's almost December. Wow. Almost December. Oh wow, in December I'll start saying Merry Christmas. But here, no. Anyways, let me get ready. I'm getting makeup done. I'm wearing a long rich auntie dress. That's the vibe I'm giving today. Just something simple, and yeah, I need to get going now, guys. So a journey of 30 minutes has taken 2 hours because of this unpredictable Lagos.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Murtala Mohammed Way.
But then I'm almost there. Almost there. Everybody has been waiting for me. Can you imagine? So annoying. And then I also loved Tangerine Morocco. It's so beautiful. So guys, it's a wrap. I'm leaving now. Heading home now. I basically want to lose in this hair. This hair has tried since October Fashion Week. October 20 something. Anyways, it's time for you to go. You gotta go hair. So I'm losing my hair today and then I'm washing it, and then tomorrow I'm making my hair myself. I'm doing crochet and I also have an event. See you guys. I think I'm just going to call this vlog like a week in the life of an influencer fulfilling social obligations. Now that's long. But guys, that's basically all I'm doing in this vlog. Going out, there's a lot of social obligations I need to fulfill this week. I don't know if I said that yesterday. Today I am attending a fashion show by the Swedish Embassy here in Nigeria. So they are putting together like a sustainable fashion show and I have been invited. Yeah, yesterday guys I loosened my hair, so right now I have my hair in cornrows. Yeah, and then I'm going to just make it into a ponytail for my event today. So I'm going to do my hair first, do my ponytail, and then do my makeup. It's currently 2:30. It's currently 2:30. The show itself opens at 5:30 for like cocktails and welcome and all that, and then the fashion show is for 7. I want to get there like 6:30. It will take me 1 hour from my house because I'm on the mainland and the event is on the island, so it will take me like 1 hour because there's also traffic is terrible today. But all in all, I think I'm going to make it in good time for the show, and then we just progress from there. I really don't know what else the week holds for me. Tomorrow I may or may not attend this other event. I'm really thinking about it. It's basically an award stroke summit, and I've been nominated for an award which is in the fashion and lifestyle category. So of course all nominees are supposed to attend, and then the final winner is revealed. But I don't know if I want to attend. I don't know. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Let's face today's one I'm attending. So guys, let me just start getting ready. Make my hair into a ponytail, tie it down, fix the pony, and then start on my makeup. I'm ready.
Thank you.
Hey D. Hello. Sando here. Hi Lex. Hi. Come on.
Yeah, because she said I
Really
had makeup
giving
on,
us-
but I don't have any makeup. It's all natural, the stones, everything. All natural. Thank you so much.
Saucy.
Thanks and God bless. Okay. I'm going to take this. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day. Basically the next day. And I just want to quickly show you guys this goodie bag that I got from yesterday's event. It was the Sweden Embassy Sustainability Fashion Show in partnership with Oriflame and Absolute. But Oriflame gave us a goodie bag, and here I have their Eclat style perfume, which I've smelt and is so nice. And then I also have the Infinita perfume. This smells so beautiful, guys. Smells so great. They gave me their shampoo, coconut shampoo. Yes. Their red lipstick, one red lipstick. I have their mascara, coconut hand cleanser. And then what's left here are just brochures, like brochures for the products and how much they cost. This was the program for the night. Yeah, and the 3 designers that showed, and a brochure about smart city sustainability and how Sweden is doing it right. Okay, so this is a very nice goodie bag. But guys, today I'm going for another event. So this one is special because I was nominated for an award in the fashion and lifestyle category by the Global Leadership Institute. By the way, I'm doing my skincare, so this serum. So that's what I'm getting ready for. Today it actually starts at 10, but I hope to get there for 11. It's currently past 9. By like 10 I would have finished my makeup, and the journey from my house to there should be about 30 minutes. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready for now. It feels good enough to be nominated, but if I win, it'll be amazing, like amazing. By the way, fun fact, the beginning of my vlog of my YouTube channel was when I was nominated for the Eloy Awards, and I was going to attend the event. I'm like, let me just start a YouTube, and that was literally how I started my YouTube. I didn't win that event. I was only nominated. When people tell you they were nominated for something, just know they didn't win. Yeah, so this is my second nomination, but for like another award, not Eloy. This one is Global Leadership Institute, and that's what I'm getting ready for now. I'm not doing anything dramatic because I mean this is a day event, literally morning event, so everything just kept nice and cute. So guys, I'll see you when I'm ready. All right, currently on my way. Traffic is crazy traffic, man. Let me show you. Guys, good morning. I'm starting today in the car. What's new? Nothing. It's raining cats and dogs today. Everywhere is like wet. But today, guys, as I'm continuing on my week of social engagement, today I will be attending the official store opening of Burger King Nigeria. So Burger King is now in Nigeria, and I've been invited to the store opening, and that's what I'm doing today. It's around 12, but before then I have to go to church. I have not an event, like I have a thing in church, and then in between church I'll go for the event, and then sorry guys, I have a call. As I was saying, I'll go to church, go for the event, come back to church, because church thing is like very long. So today is Saturday, and I think this is like the last event I'm going to be attending this week. I've gone to 4, so I have tried my best. It's not everything you can attend, but the ones you can, you go. And also this is like December period, so everybody's trying to wrap up and doing different things. So that's what I'm doing today, guys, and I can't wait to take you along to the official store opening of Burger King. It's raining cats and dogs, but everywhere is still bright. An elephant must be giving birth. Yeah.
Well here. We appreciate yours and your team's effort. Atmo, you did a fantastic job.
I will be here. I came in from Kigali yesterday. I bought my trip shop just to make sure that all.
The real burger experience. Mention Burger King.
Hello.
Finally, we meet again.
Yes, 2 times in a week, right? Yeah. Well, hello. I'm just meeting her for the first time today, but it looked like we.
But it feels like we meet last I'm so glad I saw you guys today. I'm actually not here by myself, and I'm going to see.
Same.